Dương, can you point to the teddy bear? Good job. How many teddy bears? One. Good. And do you like a teddy bear? Yes. What color is it? Is it blue? No. Is it yellow? Yes. Good job. And can you point to the dog? Good. How many dogs? How many dogs? One. What does the dog say? Yeah, go, right? Okay, and how many dogs? One. Is it brown? Yes, good job. Do you like the dog? Yes, and can you point to the cat? Good. What does the cat say? Good, it says meow. And now how many cats? One. Is it blue? No. Is it brown? Yes, good job. Okay, high five. Come back to the seat. Good job.